Elon about to be mad at this. Look how they did up the Tesla. They put the Tesla on 4Gs. What's going on? This Biscayne Supercars reporting live from the 3rd annual Rick Ross Car and Bike Show at the Promised Land in Fayetteville, Georgia. We got all the dunks out here, all the foreigns, all the old schools, all the big bodies. We got some trucks, of course. We got the bikes. Everybody out here having a good time. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and check out everything. Let's see, we got a couple of Dunk Deweys out here. We got the old school Impala. Gold trim, Murder Inc. Got the old school Caddy. See, we got the 96 Impala. On spokes. The old school Impalas, I think that's a 63 or 6 Deuce. Got the Chevy Bel Air. Got the 6.4 right here. Got the 442. Got the Caddy sitting lovely.
Cash out if I want real.
I know y'all see that Mustang 5.0, that GT, the same kind that Kane had in Menace. This joint is clean right here on hammers. Oh. Y'all see the dunks posted up, them Caprice Classics. Elon about to be mad at this. Look how they did up the Tesla. They put the Tesla on 4Gs.
Yeah.
I got the chopsticks thing on the left. Came out the cricket.
That Maybach SUV, got the Cullinan. Sitting on 4Gs, 4G autos. Shout out to Honky Donk. And here we have a Shelby GT500. Super smooth, super slick, super clean. Nice. Got that Chevelle. You know, I love those Chevy Chevelle SS's. Got another Chevelle right here. Classic black with a red racing stripe. It's another beautiful Chevelle. Soft top. Shout out to Illinois, shout out to Chicago. Chicago, Illinois, they big on the box Chevys. It's clean right now. It's clean right here, super clean. Of course, we got the bikes out here. Sweet right here.
Let us know when you're ready, guys. 1 to 10.
Got the big boy dually truck sitting on 30 songs.
Get that new customer feeling again and again. Introducing Metro Flex. Free 5G phones when you join. Same day.
Check out the stance on this Chevy right here. My God. Got that clean gangster, super gangster Eldorado Seville, courtesy of Cadillac, them black caddies. See the two-tone Maybach, two-tone Rolls. Got that Audi SUV two-tone also. And of course, that two-tone Bentley Bentayga. Riding around in Bentley Bentayga like I don't love my life. Two-tone on them Forgiato things. We got that Chevy C10, 1963. It's a beautiful truck right here. And of course, this is a car and bike show. So let's check out some of these bikes, these beautiful bikes. We got some baggers, some choppers, some hogs. We got some baggers, some choppers, some hogs. Shout out to Camtech Custom Baggers. And here goes another Chevy SS. Super duper smooth. That Chevy Chevelle, I'm loving this orange. Interior look clean too. Got another box body out here. Got everything blacked out. That matte black on everything over here looking serious. Sauce, baby.
ain't tryna cuff, yeah, I'm tryna fuck, yeah. You ain't tryna fuck, yeah, that just suck, yeah, hey.
Good job, good job, good job, good job, good job. What we supposed to do? Kill the environment. Oh man.
Guess I'm fucking motion. Oh, bitch, that's your best bet. Turn a nigga bitch on, cause she know I get it off quick. I'm a motherfucking boss, so you know I need a boss bitch. Johnny put that dope on his tongue, don't be a power lick.